Okay, so day 2, first practical, that means practical number 6. There is a question you have to find out. You have to do this one using Python program. So you ask to use the variable A, B, C, and D as a user input. A indicating my name and B indicate best friend's name. So C mean my ICT marks, D mean best friend's ICT marks. E indicates the my maths marks and F indicates my maths marks. So that means the yellow color highlighted variables are my ICT marks, my maths marks. So that for the particular one person. Then the other one, green color highlighted area mean best friend's name, ICT marks, and the maths marks. So you ask to create a Python program to display what is your name. So user should type the name, then ask in the your maths marks and ICT marks. Then what is your best friend's name, best friend's maths marks, and best friend's ICT marks. Then finally, I am and that means the input variable name should display there. That means value input value should display there, and maths marks should display, and ICT marks should display. Finally, best friend's name and the best friend's maths marks and ICT marks should display. So then when you are executing, the output should like this. So the program should ask what is your name. So user should type the name and input your ICT marks. That means user should type the ICT marks and the maths marks. Then finally, I am Anne. So how that Anne came? So the name Anne came from where the user input value. That means this Anne is the one which is displayed there. Just look at everyone. Okay. Then next, mark 79 mean the value which user type there, 79, is going to display here. Okay. Then next one, 78 marks, that is maths marks. So that 78 come from this position. Okay. So likewise, Peter's marks, Peter's name, user should insert it. So after user insert Peter's name, it should move to the this position. Okay. Then Peter's ICT marks, when user input the ICT marks of the Peter, it should move to the final results there. So Peter's maths marks should move to the 19 mean. It should come this location. Okay. So like you have to do. So to do that, you have to open the Python notepad. Don't use the shell. Why? The entire Python notepad is working on the that means this program should work as a page, whole page, not the line by line. Shell is working line by line, but Python notepad is working like a whole page. So first A mean what is your name? Then C mean what is your ICT marks, input your ICT marks. F mean input your maths marks. Then finally print I am A. So how the A came? Then when the user input the A should come as display. My ICT marks C, my maths marks F, then B input, what is your best friend name? D input best friend's ICT marks, E input best friend's maths marks. So all the values which all the values that mean variables carry into this position. Okay. So try to do it along quickly. Okay, now start doing alone. Now you have the idea how to do it. Now look at the question and do it. Just keep in mind A, B, C, D are not in order. Okay. So A is name, C is your ICT marks, then F mean your maths marks. Okay. So it's jumble. So arrange it according to the order. So when you are taking, you have to take and mean A. Okay, and A. Then maths marks means C. Then ICT marks mean C, F mean math. Again, it's jump in the order. Just look, check it. Okay, so just check whether A mean the username, that mean your name. Then F mean maths marks. C mean ICT marks. Okay, so even though if you ask the question in the other order, but F should be for the maths, C should be the ICT. Then E mean you will get the best friends marks, maths marks, then ICT. So when you execute the practical, I just change the position. Then A mean you will get the input. What is your name? C mean ICT marks. Right? So then finally, just look at A's. A value is moving to the right? This position. A mean the name. Then next one, C mean ICT marks. So C value should move to the this position. Then F mean maths marks. So maths marks should move to the this position. So that's what you got the answer in order. If you change these two lines, never mind. මේ තැන දෙක මාරුනාට C කියන්නේ ICT marks, F කියන්නේ ඔයාලට ගන්න වෙන්නේ maths marks. හරි. Then next one, what is your best friend's name? So best friend's name, when user is typing the best friend's name, so that best friend's name indicating the B. Then next, best friend's ICT marks holding D. Then the D is calling back here. Then best friend's maths marks is holding in E. E means this one. Okay. So finally all the values are calling there. When we execute it, I'll just show you that. Okay, so this is the program. In the question, first there was maths, but here I took the ICT first. Okay, run. Look at this one. Okay, what is your name? I'm giving as input your ICT marks. I'll give 98. First I took the ICT. Then input your maths marks, 99. And my ICT marks is 98. My maths marks is 99. What is your best friend name? So best friend's name I give Peter. Then best friend's ICT marks I'll give 67. Then best friend's maths marks I'll give 9. So when I execute it, then I will get the marks like that. So this is what you have to do. Complete it soon if it is correct. Check line by line. Balancing as the bar.